Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we're going to show you how to give orders and advices in Slovak using the imperative form. You will also learn the different regular and irregular forms. If you like our videos and want to support our channel, make sure you click subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media, where you can see more interesting information about the Slovak language and our unique way to teach Slovak. Don't miss our courses! You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začínáme! In Slovak language, we use the imperative form to give orders, commands, instructions, and advices. To make the form of the imperative, we need to create them for the third plural person of the present tense. We need to drop the last letters of these present tense forms. Let's see some examples. The verb počúvať, to listen. First, we need to make a third plural person of the present tense, then počúvajú. From this, we drop the last letter u. In this way, we have the singular form of imperative. Počúvaj, listen. In the same way, from the verb čítať, read, we would have it in present tense, čítajú. Then, the imperative form would be čítaj, read. A slight difference would be with verbs like hovoriť, speak. The present tense in the third person form would be hovoria. In this case, we drop the last two letters of the word to form the imperative, then hovor, speak. Just like this, from the verb variť, cook, we would have varia in present tense and var in imperative, cook. The forms in imperative plural are formed using the particle če to the singular imperative. In this case, we say počúvaj, imperative singular, počúvajte, imperative plural, čítaj, imperative singular, čítajte, imperative plural, hovor, imperative singular, hovorte, imperative plural, var, imperative singular, varte, imperative plural. Remember that in Slovak language we use the imperative plural when talking to a person we don't know or just in a respectful manner. Also, we use it when talking to a group of people. The imperative negative is very easy to create. We just need to add the particle nie before the imperative form. Then, don't listen, nepočúvaj, or nepočúvajte, don't listen. Read, nečítaj, don't read, or nečítajte. Don't speak, nehovorte. Don't cook, nevar, or nevarte. There are some irregular imperative forms. The first would be the verb to be, byť. The imperative singular would be buď, and the plural buďte. We use it in a sentence like be quiet, buď ticho. Be nice, in plural, buďte dobrý. The verb to go, ísť, also has an irregular imperative form. Choď in singular and choďte in plural. Let's practice now. Try to say the next verbs in imperative form. The verb to buy, kúpiť. As a hint, we can tell you the third person of plural is kúpia. Kúp, kúpite. The verb to run, behať. Its third form in plural is behajú. Behaj, behajte. The verb to go, ísť, with its third person, chodia. Great practice! We hope you liked the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you're interested in learning Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Ciao.